Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Box Drive on macOS, beginner guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Box Drive on macOS, begin by locating the Box application on your Mac. You can find it in the Applications folder. Open Finder and select Applications from the sidebar. Scroll through the list until you find Box. Once you locate it, click and drag the Box application to the trash bin in the dock. Alternatively, you can right-click on the Box icon and select Move to Trash. Next, you'll want to remove any leftover files. To do this, open Finder and click Go in the menu bar. Hold the Option key and select Library from the drop-down menu. In the Library folder, look for the Application Support folder. Open the Application Support folder and find the Box folder. If you see a Box folder, right-click it and select Move to Trash. Now, go back to the Library folder and check the Caches folder. Open the Caches folder and look for any files or folders related to Box. If you find any, move them to the trash as well. Next, go to the Preferences folder in the library. Look for any preference files associated with Box, which usually start with com.box. If you find any, move them to the trash. After you've removed all related files, it's time to empty the trash. Right-click on the trash bin and select Empty Trash. This final step ensures that Box Drive is completely uninstalled from your Mac. You have successfully uninstalled Box Drive from your macOS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.